Hey, good morning, folks. Just entering Gilbert Point renovation. Today we're starting on demo. Yesterday we were here working on floor protection, dust collection, getting everything covered and ready. We got a bathroom, full gut and tear out going on in there. This is the main space here. Got covered stairs. Got dust collection with couches, TV, chandelier, extra protection on the floor and the main working areas. We got our kitchen. We're going to be replacing countertops, installing a new island. We've got a new range and hood going in. We've got a pantry going in here. It was washer and dryer, which we're moving to the master bedroom. We got this beautiful loft, gorgeous home. We got upstairs bathroom being torn out right now. Master bedroom and bathroom. Got a lot going on in here soon. Have yet to start the tear out, but everything will be going. We got a basement down here. Lots going on down there too. Show you that. This is pretty much what we got as far as get everything covered and protected. We'll be here for a couple months. All right, basement. We got a new Pella slider, 6-foot door going in. We got a new fireplace insert with mantle and TV going up there. This entire area will have a drop ceiling. Walls are going to get stripped down and re-sheet rocked. We've got some vinyl flooring going in. This kitchen set and walls will be all torn down, reconfigured. We also have a office that will be getting finished off. We have an existing bathroom down here that will be fully gutted, changed out. This wall is going to get torn out, and there'll be a gym on the other side here. This will get configured as well. We'll be pulling that wall out, bumping into that bathroom. Also, we got these stairs here. We're going to have new treads and risers, and we'll put some skirt boards on there. Get that changed out. We got about 1,400 square feet, fully changed, modeled, beautified. We're looking forward to this, getting this done. It's never been finished off, obviously. And yeah, big things to come down here. All right, guys, we're going to check out the master bedroom and bathroom. Here we are on the right bedroom side. Carpet's getting torn out. We're going to get hardwood in here. We're going to change out this bow window sill area, get rid of that carpet, probably replace that with some wood. Walls are getting painted. This closet door here is getting walled off. We're going to be changing that out with some special closet unit or some sort of configuration. We haven't really decided that yet, but that's all going to get changed out in there with some shelves and drawers and such. The new door will be there. Walking into the bathroom, all this is getting torn out. We got this shower unit getting torn out with this window as well. We're going to have a floor to ceiling tile unit, large area, walk in. Be beautiful. We're going to move that toilet there. Over in here, going to get rid of this tub. Toilet will be here. And when we turn around here, we got this closet currently, which will then be converted into the washer and dryer area. We'll have some do some French louver doors there possibly. We open this right up in here, get rid of some of this wood, change it out with some sheetrock. We'll be tearing all these ceilings down. We got bathroom upstairs getting totally reconfigured. All the walls are getting stripped. We got all this electrical getting changed out. Everything will be gone the next time you see this. So that is the master bedroom and bath. Hey guys, let's bring you up here to the second floor. I'll give you a shot of the post and beam. Got this beautiful work up here. We got some ceiling fans that are going to get changed out. We got cable lights. Will be coming from that wall across where those lights are on top of the beam there, all the way across to here. We have 2 sets of them, so they can put their lights wherever they want on those cables. Most of our work here will be in this second floor bathroom. We got the living room down there, all that dust control and floor protection. Got kitchen down that way. Jason's going to town in here, pulling all the paneling off. Shower's coming out. Vanity came out. Everything's getting sheetrocked. Got a new fan going in. New tub shower unit. So lots going on right now here. And we got the entryway down here with the other bathroom that's being worked on, Cody. Gorgeous.